10th class. Today we are talking about bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is your very known name. We are using it to clean our washrooms, to clean our area where we live, to clean our clothes in the form of detergent, vanish, ala, so many things which is containing bleaching powder. Bleach means to remove the stain. Whatever stain you have get, it is the removal of that stain through the bleaching process. Chemically, bleaching powder is known as a calcium oxychloride. Chemically, bleaching powder is known as a calcium oxychloride. This is calcium, this is oxygen, chlorine. That is why it is calcium oxychloride. It is also referred as the chlorides of lime. Chlorides of lime, why? Because this calcium is considered as a lime. CaO is considered as a lime. So, and it is connected with chlorine. That is why it is chloride of lime. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine over calcium hydroxide, and we are getting bleaching powder with water molecules. So calcium hydroxide react with chlorine, solid gas, and it will form CaOCl2, which is calcium oxychloride, bleaching powder plus water molecule. Okay. Now it is a white powder having a yellowish tinge. Tinge means color. Tinge means color. It is a white powder having yellowish tinge with a strong smell of chlorine. Very strong smell of chlorine, because this chlorine is responsible for the bleach. When it is left open in the air or in open space, it reacts with carbon dioxide, and immediately it reacts with releases chlorine, which is responsible for the process of bleaching. Calcium oxychloride means bleaching powder get react with carbon dioxide. It will form calcium carbonate in the solid form, and chlorine gas will released, which help us for the bleaching process. Okay. Now we will talk about the use of bleaching powder. First, for bleaching cotton in textile industry, whatever the raw material we are getting having so many stain which is cleaned by bleaching process, the bleaching action is due to the chlorine gas released by the bleaching powder. For bleaching wood pulp in paper factory, whatever paper we are using, the whiteness of paper, because this paper is white because of the bleaching process. For disinfecting drinking water to make free germs, we are using bleaching powder to disinfect our drinking water and make it free from germs. Okay. Now we will talk about cement. What is cement? Why it is essential? What is the essential factor of it? Cement is essential in the construction of building. We know it very well. Okay, our houses, our so many, whatever the building is, our school, our house, our everything is made up of cement. Whatever the building, it means it is made up of cement. The meaning of the word cement is something that bind or glues together other material. The meaning of cement means bind or glues together other materials. Cement was first made by Joseph Aspdin. Cement is first made by Joseph Aspdin. He called a Portland cement because it was as hard as the limestone found in Portland. Whatever the limestone is found in Portland, it is too harder. In the same thing, cement is also harder. That is why it is known as Portland cement. Cement is not a chemical compound. It is not at all a chemical compound. It is a mixture of chemical compounds such as, cement is not at all a chemical compound. It is a mixture of chemical compounds such as silicates, aluminates, calcium. Therefore, it does not have a fixed chemical composition. Cement will not possess any fixed chemical composition or formula. The properties of cement are also not fixed. You cannot fix the property of cement. And nowadays so many types of cements are coming. You are watching every day so many advertisement of so many Ambuja cement, JK cement. You are watching so many things. For example, it does not have a fixed melting point. The percentage composition of cement is shown in a table. Whatever the percentage or composition, just see this one. Okay. So what type of percentage you need to prepare a cement? Calcium oxide means CaO. You need calcium oxide or CaO approximately 61 to 65%. percent composition of different compound in cement. We are talking about this. First is the calcium oxide, that is CaO, 61 or 65%. Then silica, SiO2, 20 to 25%. Then alumina, Al2O3, 5 to 10%. Then magnesia, MgO, 2 to 3%. Then iron oxide, Fe2O3, 1 to 2%. When the fine powder of mixture comes in contact with water, it sets into a hard substance. If we are mixing water with cement, we know it will become very soon harder. That's why we are using as a building material, because we want to make our building stronger. Otherwise it will collapse every day if it will be weaker. Now we will talk about so many properties of cement, how we are manufacturing in the next period. Most important thing is that you have to do practicals. I will send practical every day for you, so you just do this, okay?